What if Antarctica melted? The vast, icy continent at the bottom of the world, a seemingly untouched wilderness, a land of penguins, seals, and breathtaking landscapes. It holds a crucial role in our planet's climate system. But what would happen if all that ice disappeared? First, let's grasp the sheer scale of the Antarctic ice sheet. It contains roughly 70% of the world's fresh water, enough to raise global sea levels by around 60 meters, almost 200 feet, if it were to completely melt. That's a catastrophic rise, dwarfing anything we've seen historically. We'll look at some visualizations to show just how much water we're talking about. Even a partial melt would have devastating effects on coastal communities worldwide, displacing millions and causing widespread economic damage. We'll examine some specific vulnerable areas and the projected impacts on them. The melting of Antarctic ice wouldn't just affect sea levels. The Antarctic Circumpolar Current, ACC, one of the world's strongest ocean currents, plays a vital role in regulating global climate. This current distributes heat around the planet, influencing weather patterns in regions far removed from Antarctica. A significant melt could disrupt the ACC, potentially leading to drastic changes in global weather patterns. We'll discuss the potential for more extreme weather events, such as more frequent and intense hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. Scientists are still researching the precise nature of these potential disruptions, but the implications are significant. Antarctica is home to a unique and fragile ecosystem. Penguins, seals, whales, and a variety of other species depend on the sea ice for breeding, feeding, and shelter. A melting ice sheet would drastically alter their habitats, potentially leading to widespread species extinction. We'll discuss the specific threats to key species and the potential cascading effects on the entire food web. The loss of biodiversity in Antarctica would be an irreversible tragedy. The massive influx of fresh water from a melting Antarctic ice sheet would significantly alter the salinity of the Southern Ocean. This change in salinity could further disrupt ocean currents and marine ecosystems. We'll explore the potential consequences for marine life, including changes in ocean productivity and the distribution of various species. It's crucial to understand that the melting of Antarctica is directly linked to global warming and the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, are the primary drivers of this warming trend. We'll discuss the urgency of addressing climate change to mitigate the potential for catastrophic Antarctic melt. Scientists are constantly monitoring the Antarctic ice sheet using satellites, ice cores, and other advanced technologies. We'll discuss some of the latest research findings and predictions regarding the rate of ice melt and the potential consequences. There's still uncertainty about the precise timeline of future melting, but the potential for significant sea level rise remains a serious concern. While the threat of Antarctic melt is significant, it's not too late to take action. We'll discuss various mitigation strategies, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions through the transition to renewable energy sources and improving energy efficiency. We'll also explore adaptation strategies, such as building seawalls and developing early warning systems for coastal communities. The potential consequences of a melting Antarctica are far-reaching and potentially catastrophic. However, by understanding the risks and taking decisive action to address climate change, we can still mitigate the worst potential outcomes. This is not just a scientific issue. It's a global challenge that requires collective action. Let's work together to protect our planet and preserve the beauty and integrity of Antarctica for future generations. What are your thoughts on this critical issue? Share your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos exploring the wonders and challenges of our planet.